Welcome to Chocolate Thunder's review of the 1500 San Pedro Avenue Suites. Cool thing is, there's actually three of these bad boys, so let's get started. The first one is suite number 15022, and it's actually my second favorite. It's only my second favorite just because, even though they do have the individual little office spaces, they have these huge windows in them, which means we need to put up curtains and blinds and stuff like that to maintain client privacy and whatnot. But beyond that, it's actually built out pretty cool. It's right next door to the actual loading dock for HEB, so there might be a bit of a noise issue there. But beyond that, you can play some ambient noise or some gym music, whatever have you to block it out. But really, it's not too bad. Again, it would be my first if it weren't for the big, massive windows on each of the doors. I didn't have access, so I couldn't see if the ones down the hallway also had these huge windows. The next one coming up is actually my top favorite, so listen carefully. This is suite number 15026. And it's my favorite because the very first room that clients can walk into is actually this medium-sized reception waiting room where they can be checked in by somebody, either a robot or a receptionist or a butler. And then the hallway, leads to the individual offices. Again, I didn't have access to get inside, so I couldn't see how exactly it was laid out. But just from initially walking in, looks pretty cool and would meet the needs of all the businesses offered. So now the last one, the final one, 15030. Not my favorite. It's my least favorite. I mean, I don't even know why this one's on here. I mean, I'm just doing it just to be nice. Just because there are three to do a review on. I don't like it simply because it's way too open. I mean, it's like a Shark Tank open. Um, there's no client privacy. There's we have to put up partitions or something like that. I didn't have access, so I can't really judge it completely, fairly. I could see there's a door to the very back. Who knows what's back there? Chupacabra, who knows? But again, it's my least favorite on the list, just because it's way too open and would not, support, what we're trying to do. So in closing remarks here, it's really not too bad of a layout. I like it quite a bit. There's a little parking space in the back for employees. I have office workers. They do have a security system already built in there. The only thing that sucks is that the apartment complex, you can see they can just literally walk across that fence and come visit us. But other than that, it's not that bad. It gets two chocolate thumbs up.